today we are gonna make a healthy juice. Here are the ingredients. Some kale, good as superfood. Cucumber, good for a spa. And grapes, very juicy. Now let's get started, because I already washed my hands. And make sure you wash your hands too, so you don't spread germs to your other family members or friends. Let's start now. Let's add the kale. Whoa, that scared me. Now we got all the kale in. Now let's add some of our cucumber. Whoops, it's a little slippery. Get in. Now let's add the grapes. It's fun. Now it's ready. Let's pour it and see how it will taste. It's yummy and sweet. I really like it. The kale, you can definitely taste it. And it doesn't taste bad. It actually tastes really, really good. Now my brother's trying it. Oh yeah, it is good.
You like it?
Thank you for subscribing and liking. And please try the recipe. And see you on my next video.